speed and velocity. These are the derived quantities and not the base quantities. And these quantities talk about distance and time collectively. Now let's talk about the differences between these two quantities. And first we'll talk about the definition. The definition of speed is it is the distance traveled by a body in unit time. Choosing this unit time depends upon you, but we have certain conventions and few things are there that we use regularly. So we measure the speed of the car or of the airplane in kilometer per hour, and when we measure the speed of the snail, which is the speed of snail is quite slow when we compare it with the speed of car, then we use this meter per hour, or we can also use kilometer per hour, but meter per hour would be more relevant when we talk about the speed of the snail. A few things about speed. Speed is a scalar quantity. It means it has no direction, and the conventional unit of speed is kilometer per hour. Now we'll talk about the velocity, which is speed in a particular direction, and velocity is a vector. It has direction. We talked about the direction in the definition, that is speed in a particular direction is velocity. So more refined definition would be it is the change in position in unit time. Now this is a vector. It has direction. So velocity is something if a car is traveling, or if a car is moving with 30 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of the car. And when we talk about the direction of this car is towards east. So if we say 30 kilometer per hour, towards east, the same quantity becomes a vector. So vector is a quantity which has both this direction and magnitude. So direction and magnitude is two compulsory things with vectors, and there's one more thing worth mentioning here, that when we talk about vector, we should not forget that vector obey the ad special addition rule, what we call parallelogram rule, or we say the triangle rule. These two topics we'll discuss when we'll talk about the vector in detail. But here we are just pointing out the differences between the speed and velocity. So these are the basic differences: velocity and speed. So velocity is a vector VV, speed is a scalar SS. Okay, thanks for watching this video.